So with that, I'll turn it over to our host, the organizer, the man that makes it all happen, Mr. Jeevan. Let's give it up for him.
Good evening, all of you. I hope you're all enjoying. Are you? I'm going to make a speech. Generally, I get paid for making speeches, but tonight it's free. I'll give you a little background about this organization, and I promise it won't last 3 minutes, my speech. Dr. Panu, you're a witness. Indo-American Community Federation will be 30 years old next year. There was a void I saw then and felt that Indo-Americans needed to take more interest in mainstream and become more involved in their adopted land. Not only do we bring other Indo-American organizations together to support mainstream involvement, but also bring together other diverse community leaders and organizations, along with a host of policymakers and public officials, to deliberate on pressing issues and bring them to the attention of lawmakers. Our organization created this dinner to unify different cultures and help foster unity and understanding among a diverse number of community groups and leaders after 9/11. The Unity Dinner continues to grow and grab the attention of some high-profile members of Congress and the Senate, as well as all the government bodies. It's not our differences that divide us. It's our inability to recognize, accept, and celebrate those differences. Audre Lorde, he said, the focus of this effort is to highlight the fact that peace, coexistence, and socio-cultural bonding are integral to paving the way for completeness of plural ethos. Let's not forget that it was the trip to India that gave Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. the spiritual strength and wisdom to fight injustice during the civil rights movement. Upon his return from India, Dr. King wrote, "I left India more convinced than ever before that the method of non-violence resistance is the most potent weapon available to people in their struggle for freedom and human dignity." As Indians, we have to feel proud that our ancient culture and spiritual wisdom have something unique to offer, even today, to reinvigorate non-violence in America. Culturally, Indian Americans bring to the US a more cohesive family life, a sense of community, and respect for education, something they share with many of America's most successful immigrants. By introducing bills which are divisive, we will be dividing our communities. It's grossly irresponsible to politicize any situation. No electoral goal justifies endangering lives by creating a false narrative resulting in friction. Let's get politics out of our communities and strive to eradicate other safety-related issues we are facing at present. Thank you. Thank you for listening. And I don't know if they will allow me to come to the stage again. I know I had to do something else, but I'll do it later. Thank you.